Hello guys, you ever wonder how this particular PPT is made? In this video, we are going to create each and every single slide from the scratch. So stay till the end, watch each and every step that we make. So without wasting any time, let's start. Before that, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe in order to get the future updates. Let's dive in. Alright, let's open the blank presentation and remove the titles which is not required and insert the transparent image of the Colosseum. Here we go. Adjust the image according to the suitable format with which we need to make the slides. Leave suitable space for the text. Alright, copy the text and place it in the right place. Once done with the text and the image, you can still format the background by applying the gradients, which makes the slides more and more enhancing. You can use the eyedropper tool for choosing the right colors. You can still apply the gradients for the text as well. Again, apply the suitable gradients for the text. Once done, don't move to the second slide because some contents of the second slide need to be present in the first slide as well, and you can place those outside the first slide as mentioned here. This makes your PPT more and more enhancing and interesting. Again, make sure to apply the gradients for all the text as well, and make sure to use only 2 colors. Once you place the content, duplicate the slide. And make the following adjustments. Make sure that the images, not the text, don't get collided with each other. Once done, apply Morph Transition. Alright, let's check it out. Good, job done. Now again, before moving on to slide 3, insert the contents that is required for slide 3 in the slide 2 and make sure to place outside the slide 2. Insert the text, insert the required images, and also apply the gradients. Also make sure to place the images and text in the different position to make the slides more and more fascinating and interesting. Now duplicate the slide and make the following adjustments. Now if you ever make any adjustments in slide 3, make sure to do the same adjustments for either text or image in slide 2 as well. Now check with the morph transition. It works perfectly. Let's see from the beginning. Alright. Now again, before moving to slide 4, let's add some contents that required for slide 4 in slide 3 as well. Now make sure to send back the images. All the images should go behind the text of the slide 3 so that you don't get any interruption. Here all the images should go behind the Colosseum. Now again, duplicate the slide and make the following adjustments. Make sure to follow all the steps very deeply to get the desired results which you're looking for. And here we have got some job to do in slide 3, so we are adding the title so called as overview and applying the gradients as well. Now if you've done the job in slide 3, you need to do the same job in slide 4 as well. So make sure to copy paste it and apply the same gradients and make sure the text is in the same position as well. Here the text is not proper, so we are making the adjustments and adding the gradients and also changing the text size as well. Alright, now make the following adjustments. Again, make sure to place all the images back of the Colosseum. Here again, all the images should be at the back of the Colosseum. Let's check it out. Alright, it looks good, but let's make some modifications in slide 3. I mean slide 4. Alright, let's go to slide 4 and bring the text towards the left side. Also bring the image as well. This could make the slides more enhancing. Now let's see how it works. Alright, job done. Now the 5th slide and 6th slide has simple jobs. All you need to do is to just adjust the 3 photographs as follows. Here we go. Alright, if you're done with the 5th slide, do the same thing for the 6th one as well. You can always delete the outside contents which is not required once you have completed the PPT. Alright, we have done with the 6 slides and now let's check it out. Now before that, make sure that you have applied the morph transitions for all the slides except the first one and see how it works. Absolutely amazing. We have got the end results whatsoever we are looking for. So there we are concluding this video. So thanks for watching, and for more tutorials give recommendations and suggestions in the comment box, and for further updates make sure to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.